Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2021 310 SLX. What a gorgeous boat this is. It's in the beautiful blue coloring. It's got the 300 horsepower Mercs on the back. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 310 SLX. Let's start at the back of the boat with the Mercuries that I told you about. It's powered by the twin Mercury 300 horsepower. It's the new motors, extremely quiet, very little vibration, and much lighter than the competitors as far as weight, about 135 pounds lighter. So great motors on the back, plenty of power. We've got a swim platform that deploys out, so if you want to swim up on and off the boat, you can swim right up onto the platform and get in the boat, which is really cool. And then this over here, we've got a sun pad. 4 adults can lay out here comfortably. If you don't want to lounge, you can pull these up and you can have a nice comfortable bench seat that goes all the way across for a little bit different type of seating. And then underneath, this is where the old engines used to be. So this is all storage from one end to the other, and it's about 3 feet deep. You can put anything, chairs and toys and fenders and everything you need to store on this boat can go right in here. Not to mention the rest of the storage that we have on the boat. So as I move into the boat, you got a nice walkway with the sea deck on it, a transom shower, and then L-shaped seating. So you've got really nice L-shaped seating right here. It's a large area with storage underneath the seats. And then you've got a chair, the passenger chair here can spin around from forward, face this way. You've got opposing seating on the other side as well. So you've basically got 360 degrees of seating back here. You can put 8 adults very comfortably back here with a table in the center. Really, really nice. We've got a refrigerator down below and then a prep area in here. So nice prep area, fixing lunch, fixing drinks, that type of thing. As we move to the head, very large head on this boat. You've got the vacuum flush head, sink, you've got a window in there that it's good for extra daylight and fresh air. And then over to the helm, we've got 2 large Simrad flat screens. What a beautiful dash this is. Just really all one piece. You've got all your recessed switches in here with your Fusion stereo. You've got your digital throttle and shift, and then you got the joystick, which is fantastic. I can go sideways in this boat really easy, any direction. It's just I have full control of the boat with that joystick, and it also has an auto heading on it, which is an autopilot. It's a point and shoot, very easy. And then lastly, you've got skyhook. So if I want to getting a slip assignment, I can put it into skyhook mode. It'll keep me locked in where I can get my lines and fenders all put out. Or at the end of the day, like I like to do, is you can point it at the sunset, go up on the lounges, have a nice glass of wine out there, and you're pointing at the sun the whole time. So it's a great feature all the way around. As we move forward, you get your breaker panel, not hidden behind anything, and then the lounge area, very 2 big lounges actually. So very comfortable as far as lounging with the armrest, stereo speakers up here. And then you've got you've got a spotlight, and then you've got the windlass system with a shower up here as well. So this boat has the Sure Shade on it, which deploys all the way out from the hardtop, which gives you full shade all the way back, which is fantastic. It does everything well. It's cool looking. If you'd like to see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.